In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a dedicated IP with Nordvpn. Whether you're a seasoned VPN user or just getting started, understanding how to utilize a dedicated IP can enhance your online experience by providing you with a consistent and secure internet presence. Let's dive in and explore this step-by-step guide to help you get started. The first thing you want to do is open up your Nordvpn application. You can do this by navigating to the Nordvpn website or directly accessing the app from your device. If you don't have it installed yet, download Nordvpn from their official site, ensuring you have the latest version for a smooth experience. Once you're in the app, you'll find a user-friendly interface awaiting you. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This will make navigation much easier as you proceed. Next, look for the VPN section. This is typically on the main menu or start screen of the app. Click on the VPN option, which will open up a list of servers and various features that Nordvpn offers. The VPN button is your central hub for accessing the core functions of the app, so taking note of its location is handy for future use. Within this section, you'll come across a variety of server options and additional tools designed to enhance your browsing safety and privacy. Now, navigate to the Specialty Servers option. Specialty servers are a key feature that sets Nordvpn apart, offering tailor-made settings for specific tasks. Clicking on Specialty Servers will present you with several categories geared towards different needs. These specialized servers optimize your connection for activities like torrenting, double VPN for added security, obfuscated servers for bypassing internet restrictions, and more. This is where you'll gain access to servers configured to provide superior anonymity and performance. From here, you'll want to click on Dedicated IP. A dedicated IP is unique as it's a static IP address exclusively designated to you, unlike shared IP addresses which many users access simultaneously. This kind of IP is particularly useful when you need a stable, reliable address for accessing specific services that require whitelisting, or for maintaining a consistent online appearance without changing locations, such as logging into your bank or securing remote access to your home network. Selecting the dedicated IP option will allow you to proceed to settings where you can purchase or activate your dedicated IP. Follow the prompts provided by Nordvpn to finalize this setup, and you'll be up and running in no time. And there you have it, a straightforward way to harness the powerful features of Nordvpn's dedicated IP. I hope this guide helps you better protect your online identity and access the internet, free from the hassle of constantly changing IP addresses. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to explore Nordvpn's support resources or leave a comment below. Happy browsing!